Elon Musk and Tesla have pushed the entire world into paying much closer attention to humanoid robots over the last few years. The Tesla CEO has poured billions of dollars into this project because he truly believes that in the next 2 to 3 years, people everywhere will be rushing to place orders for their own personal robots. He sees a future where having a humanoid helper becomes as common as having a smartphone. Imagine asking a robot to take out your trash every day. Optimus can already do that. Need a robot to prepare your breakfast in the morning? It's learning those tasks too. Or maybe you want a quiet assistant that can clean your house without any complaining. For Optimus, that job is almost too easy. But in the past, Tesla's Optimus had only one real rival, the Figure AI humanoid robot. Today, things look very different. Competition is rising fast. Elon Musk might have to be more cautious now because the number of humanoid robots packed with advanced technology is growing at an insane speed. Every month, and sometimes every week, a brand new humanoid robot from somewhere in the world gets announced. And among Tesla's latest challengers, the Xpeng Iron robot is getting the most attention. A lot of people believe this could be the one robot that truly stands in Musk's way and makes things extremely interesting in the humanoid robot race. Many people think Tesla Bot might dominate in the US, but Xpeng Iron could take over the rest of the world. China's robotics industry keeps growing and their robots usually come with powerful tech at a more affordable price. That combination is getting serious praise. But Elon Musk says Optimus Gen 3 will still beat every competitor, including Xpeng Iron, because he believes Tesla has 3 major advantages that Xpeng simply doesn't. Optimus can cook, clean, and take care of household jobs the Xpeng robot cannot handle right now. And Musk is not shy about saying it. You might be wondering what makes him so confident. Why does he seem so sure Tesla will come out on top in the long run? Well, that answer becomes a lot clearer once you understand Musk's vision. Before we continue, the scale of Optimus is going to be something the world has never seen before. He believes it will become the biggest product in history, bigger than smartphones, bigger than computers, bigger than any piece of consumer technology that exists today. Are robots actually going to take our jobs? It's a question that no longer feels like sci-fi. After Musk posted on X last month saying, AI and robots will replace all jobs. Working will be optional, like growing vegetables instead of buying them. Millions of people suddenly started thinking much harder about what our future will look like. That one sentence alone shook the internet. Recently, we've seen a huge wave of humanoid robots popping up from China, the United States, Japan, Korea, and Europe. Most of them still look funny or awkward. Their movements are stiff, their arms move like they are pushing through glue, and their appearance sometimes makes people laugh. But the Tesla Bot is different. It's the first robot people are taking seriously. It's the one that looks the most balanced in terms of design, capability, and long-term potential. We are not claiming it is the best robot today, but after Tesla's shareholder meeting, it became clear that Optimus is the robot everyone is watching. Musk has made some extremely bold claims about this robot. According to him, Optimus might become the most impactful invention in human history. He says each robot will work non-stop, never get tired, never complain, never need a break, and eventually help build a world where people no longer have to work to survive. Tesla is planning to produce these robots in massive quantities. Musk even said he expects them to become more common than smartphones. He believes AI and robotics will eliminate poverty, raise living standards, and transform global productivity. Tesla won't be the only company building robots, but Musk says Tesla will pioneer the industry. He insists there's only one real way to make the world wealthy, and that is through AI and robotics performing labor at scale. Even though Elon hasn't clearly explained how the Tesla Bot will make money for everyday people, he has hinted many times that Optimus can actually become income-generating. For example, the Tesla Bot can transport goods, serve food, clean tables, and work in places like restaurants or cafes. Tesla already used them at the Tesla Diner, proving that robots can generate revenue in real settings. Musk says if someone buys one robot for around $50,000, it could pay for itself within 2 to 3 years. He also said Optimus could help bring high-quality healthcare to everyone and reduce the cost of essential services. In his mind, the true purpose of technology is not just profit, it's improving life for humanity. What many people don't realize is that everything needed to build Optimus has existed inside Tesla for years. Every Tesla car is basically a robot on wheels. A cybercab robotaxi is literally a robot vehicle. Tesla EVs already have the components needed for humanoid robotics: battery systems, power electronics, motors, gearboxes, connectivity, vision-based AI, a custom processing chip, and an advanced control software system. Tesla has spent more than a decade perfecting all these systems at scale. Musk says that is why Tesla is uniquely positioned to lead the global humanoid robot industry. In his words, Optimus is just a robot with arms and legs. And since Tesla already builds millions of robots with wheels, they are already the world's largest robot manufacturer. When you really think about it, nothing on Earth is smarter than humans. No robot can truly replace us or overpower us, at least not right now. But Musk is still pouring billions into Optimus because he believes Tesla will build a robot that thinks, moves, and interacts more like a human than anything we've seen. The idea might remind people of Terminator, but what if the story flips? What if the robot doesn't hurt us but actually helps us? Imagine having a personal assistant that brings you a cold drink, makes your sandwich, folds your laundry, and cleans your whole house. Once people grow older, especially past 60, having such a robot could dramatically improve their life. That is the future, beginning with Optimus Gen 3. Interestingly, Musk intentionally avoided giving Optimus a human-like face or human-like skin. Robots that look too human often create a creepy, unsettling feeling. For example, a Chinese company recently launched the Origin M1 humanoid robot that can blink, nod, and mimic human expressions almost perfectly. It looks so human-like that people actually feel uncomfortable watching it. That's why Musk designed Optimus with a simple glossy head and a light strip instead of eyes and facial muscles. Optimus is currently at version 2.5 and can already navigate rooms by itself, recharge independently, and perform basic tasks. But Musk says the next version, Optimus Gen 3, is where things get crazy. He claims it will look so realistic that it will appear like a person wearing a robot suit. He also confirmed that Gen 3 is coming in the first quarter of next year. Tesla plans to release a new version every year, similar to smartphone upgrades. Version 4 is set for 2027, and version 5 is planned for 2028. One of the biggest breakthroughs is Optimus' ability to cook. It doesn't just follow a script. It understands tasks. It opens the fridge, chooses ingredients, cuts them, stirs food, and plates it. But that required massive effort inside Tesla. The company has human operators wearing motion capture suits, cameras, and heavy recording equipment. These workers perform everyday movements, picking up a glass, folding laundry, wiping surfaces, dancing, and Optimus learns from every motion. The robot uses a combination of training data, visual sensors, tactile sensors in its hands, and dynamic control algorithms. The most impressive part is shared learning. If one Optimus learns a task like making pizza, every other Optimus instantly gains the same knowledge through Tesla's neural network updates. If you buy two robots, the second one automatically understands your habits because data from the first one syncs. Picture coming home and everything is clean. The floor is spotless. The table is clear. The grass outside is trimmed perfectly. And your Tesla Optimus Gen 3 is quietly recharging for tomorrow. What once sounded like science fiction now feels real. XPeng Iron Robot is the one competitor that people keep comparing with Tesla's Optimus. Many say XPeng might win because Iron looks more human, walks smoothly like a runway model, and even has synthetic skin and bionic muscles. The robot doesn't look like a traditional machine at all. Its body is built in 3 layers: bone, muscle, and skin. It has a feminine design, soft, flexible fibers covering the body, and a height of around 5 feet 10 inches with a weight of 176 pounds. It has over 60 joints with nearly 200 degrees of freedom, and each hand has about 22 degrees of freedom, similar to a real human hand. Its visual system covers almost 360 degrees, and the company plans to include solid-state batteries and 3 in-house Turing AI chips. What really shocked people was its walking posture. It moves so naturally that many thought it was a human wearing a robot suit. To prove it wasn't, Xpeng cut open the skin on stage, revealing the internal robot. Xpeng is trying hard to position itself as Tesla's direct competitor, expanding from electric cars into humanoid robots. Iron is designed to be socially friendly, maybe even emotional, more like a companion than a machine. They aim to start mass production by 2026, and the CEO even predicted they will sell more robots than cars in the next decade. Optimus Gen 3 is slightly shorter and lighter, about 5 feet 8 inches and 125 pounds. Its top speed is about 5 miles per hour, chosen for safety. It can carry around 20 pounds in its arms and deadlift up to 150 pounds. Tesla didn't chase maximum degrees of freedom. Instead, they focused on the areas that matter most, the hands. Optimus hands have around 22 degrees of freedom with advanced wrist and forearm articulation. Instead of trying to look human, Tesla built a robot that can fold clothes, use tools, grip delicate objects, and perform tasks predictably. Tesla has another advantage: its AI infrastructure is years ahead. Optimus uses the same foundation as Tesla's FSD system, trained on billions of miles of real-world driving data. Tesla already has a full pipeline for collecting camera data, labeling it, training neural networks, deploying updates, and improving performance over time. That same system now powers Optimus. The demos showing Optimus practicing kung fu or imitating human movements are not animations. They are real AI imitation learning. Xpeng also has its own AI chips, but their ecosystem is still younger and mostly limited to China. Tesla, meanwhile, can deploy thousands of robots inside its gigafactories for real work. That means Optimus will learn far faster in real environments. And Tesla gains direct benefits from every improvement because robots help lower manufacturing costs. The biggest challenges in humanoid robotics are building functional hands, developing AI that works reliably in the real world, and scaling mass production. Elon Musk believes Tesla is the only company that has mastered all three. Xpeng launching Iron in 2026 is ambitious, but they still need to prove real mass demand. Will malls, airports, theme parks, or hospitals buy expensive humanoid robots in large numbers? That is still uncertain. Tesla doesn't have this problem because they already own the perfect testing ground, their factories. Tesla also has a stronger global brand, more advanced AI teams, and a clearer long-term story. Xpeng Iron wins today if the question is which robot looks most human. But if the goal is a reliable global humanoid labor force, Tesla's approach seems stronger. Optimus is built for real jobs. It is lightweight, safe, easy to maintain, and capable of performing valuable tasks. In a world where Xpeng is racing with powerful chips and solid-state batteries, Tesla still looks better positioned for global dominance. So now the question is simple. Will you pick Tesla Optimus or Xpeng Iron? Which company do you think is genuinely closer to creating a robot that becomes part of everyday life? Let us know in the comments. And before you leave, tap that subscribe button so you never miss future uploads.